that I'm gonna case.
Just send it.
Crazy mother.
That's a deal. Hey, we upload videos every Thursday at 1 o'clock. And sometimes on Tuesday. So make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Alrighty, the airbag's on. Now we gotta boost it. We got another addition to the airbag family. This thing is the little brother to the mega one we just got. Shout out to DD Airbags. Don't forget to get the merch. Just got some new ones. BMX with graffiti in it, just like my helmet. This is double or nothing. How it works.
Every time you jump it, we move the ramp out.
Whoever chickens out first loses.
Who's gonna win?
Me. Obviously, I won last time.
Yeah, barely by, well, yeah.
So I'm gonna win. Hit it! Hit it!
You hit it.
Okay. Looped out. It's so tiny, not like the other one, because like I don't want to fall off.
Did you land that?
Yeah.
You did? Only thing I'm scared of is not making it.
High five. Woo, that was pretty good. That was good.
Thank you.
You buying it?
Maybe, I don't know. Are you?
Yep. Alright, so what you do to do whatever scary thing you want to do, you just be like in your head, like it's gonna be over in 2 seconds, so just do it. It's a gnarly sport, but sometimes you just have to crash, you know? Like on the 3 the first time I just did. I crashed. Big deal, just get back up, bro. What the heck was that? You didn't even get the X up around.
I'm like excited, and plus that was a little bit scared. I'm like shaky. But good job, dude. Thanks.
All right, let's get real. Spread apart. Spread apart. They go into the airbag so much, but I got miles.
You guys are about the same.
Does he go faster because he has a bigger bike?
Not so far. I think.
No, if we like just tried to pedal.
I think Ryken would beat you, yes.
See? Because you have a bigger bike, right?
Well, yeah, and he's strong. He's probably
yeah, I'm a lot
stronger.
I bet I could go the same speed on your bike, though.
So if you did it on a 14-inch or like a 12-inch, you would go the same speed as this.
But your cranks are longer, so you're getting more more leverage.
Well, and the tire size.
Let's test it later.
As fast as I can go and almost case. We were having problems with speed, so we put the airbag down here so we can use the same rolling we use for the Mega. We have the flat airbag, so when we get really far, we can jump over the airbag and it would be a lot safer. We're gonna be able to go so far, this is way better.
All right, I'm pushing it up more.
That one was a good one. I didn't go as like high and like glance on. I went like straight.
It's way better.
Are you getting scared yet?
No.
That's so sick.
What? Hang on, why are you not going first? You scared?
No.
So I noticed you went second this time. Are you getting a little scared? What's going on?
No.
Why'd you want him to go first?
I don't know. I just did.
You get some berries?
Yep, they're yummy. You want to try one?
So far to the right or the left. He landed like right here. You can see his tire mark.
The ramp is kind of at a hill. That's why it landed like right there. It's kind of sideways. Like I think Ryken, when you went, it like kind of turned.
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's pushing it so far!
It looks really funny from up there.
I think I got it. Bruh. It's a little bit safer.
It feels like you're in the air for so long.
That was so cool looking.
I'm scared that I'm gonna case.
Just send it.
Ryken's going again.
I was a little scared.
Oh my god. Ryken.
I did an X up and I leaned too far forward.
Are you doing tricks on it?
Well, I wanted to get like a super cool picture.
Me and Ryken tied with this ginormous gap. It was scary at first, but now it's easy. Shout out to DD airbags and this one. See, DD. Everything's DD. If you want your own airbag lander, websites down below. Don't forget to get some merch. Just got some new ones. BMX with graffiti in it, just like my helmet. Hope you guys like this video, and peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my TikTok.